Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about a powerful recovery software which is free, where you can recover all your lost files immediately. But you have to follow the instruction very carefully. In a story in a nutshell, what happened is this: my DJI drone. I took out the drone SD card and tried to insert it into my computer to recover the files, but unfortunately, the memory card is corrupted, and I need to format the memory card, which I'm thinking like all my video recordings, everything on the SD card, which is shot on my drone, which is completely lost. What I did is I put the memory card back into my DJI drone and I formatted the drive within the memory card. Immediately, I took it out, then connected to the computer. So don't do anything, don't take any photos, anything, because the files will be overwritten. So then I went to this powerful website, the link, so cccleaner.com recover. Go and download this application. Once you download it and run it, you can see this application. This is down here. Let's start the application. Then click next. You can choose any of these files first. If you have only pictures, music, documents, the video, I have all the files. Click next. So you can see that I'm not sure. Search everywhere on this computer, but in my document, recycle bin, specific location. This is where I'm going to tell, because it's a called D drive. So I'm going to go there. So now it's going to ask you to start. So basically, it's going to look for everywhere. So what you can do, you can cancel it. Once you cancel it, what you can go to, you can go to switch to advanced mode down here. Click on the switch to advanced mode. Now it gives you option to choose files. So now my USB drive is D drive. So what you can do in here, you can click the scan for content, scan for files, and also make sure you take this tick off. Once it's done, so you can see options, you can see what you can do, and actions, you can see all of these facts. Leave it as it is, right? And click to scan. Once you scan, it says nothing file found, but do you want to do a deep scan? You have to click yes. It's going to scan your whole entire drive. How big your, depending on your size of the drive, it's going to take quite a few hours. For mine, it took me more than 6-7 hours to complete, but it found all the files and is recovered all my files. So completely free. So this is an amazing program. So I'm gonna cancel this. So this is an amazing program that you can make use of it. Very powerful program, but make sure you don't overwrite it. Once you complete it, make sure once your files are selected, click recover and put it in a folder, make a new folder and recover it. Hopefully this video is very helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment down below whether this is helpful or not, but like to share with your friends and family. I like to see another video. Thanks for watching.